Hey guys, this is Nancy with Jolie One Creations. Today I wanted to show you chalk couture. I've become a chalk couture independent designer and I've been playing with it a little bit. And so I just kind of wanted to make a video to show you kind of exactly how it's done. Your transfers come like this. I don't know if you can see how they have the little white lines here? Those are cuttable lines. So I'm going to cut this transfer apart in the different, because I'm not going to use all of it. What I'm making today is an easel that I want to use at craft shows, just to advertise chalk couture. So I'm trying to show you step by step what the process is. Okay, so the first part I'm going to use is the little chalk couture logo. So when you're peeling these transfers off the backing, you want to make sure and not peel diagonal, but peel straight. Now you may have to grab the corner to get it off, but when you're peeling it off the backing, so not to stretch the screen, it's best to peel it off straight. Now, because they're very sticky, you want to stick it to a towel or your clothes or something like that to defuzz it, or to fuzz it actually. Now I'm using, this is a chalkboard easel. I got it at Hobby Lobby. One side has the chalkboard, the other side actually has a dry erase board, which I thought would be cool to maybe use some vinyl or something else on the back side. So okay, so we're going to fuzz this. Again, peel it up top to bottom. It's very sticky. I mean, so do it again. Okay, so I want to line this up at the top of my sign. I'm thinking I want it about there. Looks like it's about the middle. So you do want to make sure that you don't have any air bubbles. Now, these are not like regular stencils. These are actually screen printed transfers. So I don't know if you can see that, but that's actually a little screen. Okay. So I want to make this one, this chalk couture teal color. So this is, I'm using my Chalkology paste in chalk couture teal. So what you want to do when you first open it is you want to stir it. Get that over there. Because it is a little thick and you kind of want it the consistency of like a yogurt. So I'm just going to stir it up. And I have been told that you can add a little water to it if it's way too thick. Okay. That looks pretty good. So now I'm just going to take a glob and put it on my transfer. And that might be a little too much, but I just want to make sure I got it. Okay. Then I take my small squeegee and just rub the paste over the screen parts. Now, any excess I want to scrape back into the jar. Okay. So now, and again, peel from top to bottom. I'm going to peel my transfer up. Now you do immediately want to clean your transfer. I have a bowl of water here that I'm just going to actually put my transfer in. If I can get it unstuck until I can get to the sink. So here we have it on the board. Now I still have a little mess up here, so all I'm going to do is take a baby wipe and just wipe that up. Not a big deal. Wipe it up and me dry it with my Norwex cloth. These cloths are wonderful. They dry very quickly. They're amazing. If you don't have a Norwex dealer, I have a friend that is starting to sell it. So as soon as she gets set up, I will start linking her links in my video using my when I use my Norwex cloth. So I definitely want to kind of close that up for a minute, and I'm going to wipe off my squeegee. This does get a little messy. Just get some water. But it's fun. I like it. So I'm okay with messy. Okay. So now you do have to kind of let it dry. It does take a minute to dry. What I'm going to do is my next stencil. I'm going to use this one, but because it's too long to go all the way, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the Make Money first here. Then I'm going to put Beautifully underneath it. And I think I'm going to do it in white. So let me see if I can peel this off. Okay. So that's peeled off, and we're going to fuzz it up. Okay, so let me see if I can line this in the center. Alright, I think that's where I want it. I see some little bubbles, so I'm going to smooth those out. You can actually kind of take your squeegee and smooth out the bubbles. Or you can use your fingers. Okay. So I'm going to do the white, and just like I did with the blue, we're going to make sure we stir it, get it to the consistency of a yogurt. Okay. So I'm going to take it and put some on here. All right. Awesome. Okay. Now, I'm going to do Beautifully, and hopefully this doesn't dry too quickly on my transfer. Sorry if I stop talking. I'm just trying to make sure I'm doing this right, because I am also still learning, guys. Alright, that looks good. And remember, if I get any kind of mess, it's easily cleaned. Okay. Check my squeegee. That up. Perfect. And we're going to put this in our water. Like I said, if I can get it off my finger. This is coming out really good. This is so far. All right. So I think I'm going to use the teal again for the bottom. So let me clean my squeegee. squeegee off before it dries on there. Dip that in some water. Okay. So what I'm going to put on the bottom is Ask Me How. And it actually does fit across. So that's good. So let's see if I can get it off of here. Alright. So we're going to fuzz it. Alright, so let's line this up. I think that's where I want it. Looks good. Okay, we're going to do the blue again, or the teal. And it's still pretty good. I don't really have to mix up too much. Alright. So we just squeegee over all the screen parts. Scrape the excess back into the jar. Alright, that looks good. So let's close this up. Get a little bit on my hands, something like that, so I don't get any. Okay, I'm gonna peel this out. Oh, this came out really good, and it curled up on me. I'll put it in the water. Alright, this came out really good. I'm really satisfied. So we've got our Chocolate Couture logo, Make Money Beautifully, Ask Me How. This will be the perfect little easel setup at my craft shows or my make and takes. So there you go, easy, easy. If you want to learn more about Chocolate Couture, follow my links. They'll be in the description of this video. And I'll see you soon. Bye y'all, thanks.